We're here in downtown historic Annapolis today, where we've established a partnership with the city. We maintain nearly 280,000 streetlights across the service territory. Right now, we are aggressively upgrading our company-owned lights, typically those that are on the overhead distribution poles, which you can see behind me, converting them over to LED. The key there is smart-ready LED. We received notification through the Public Works Department that there was some issues here on East Street with the lights being too bright that we had recently converted. As you can see behind me, the wood poles are kind of close to the house, so it's a serious problem that we needed to address right away. So we stepped right into action. We came here on East Street, we installed shades, we installed controls on the lights. The very next evening, we hosted a meeting with the residents here on East Street, the Department of Public Works with Annapolis, and myself via remote access at my home in Harford County. I had my laptop, I had the control management software ready to utilize, and it took us about 5 tries to go from 100% and ultimately end up down on 35%. It was really neat and kind of rewarding from a customer service aspect, having the community there on speakerphone and hearing them react as I went through the different dimming output levels.
The partnership with BGE has been great. We went into this thinking only that we were going to see all the benefits of the LED lights, but with the smart features that these lights have, it's taken us so much beyond what we originally had anticipated. Working with BGE, we're going to be on top of everything associated with these lights.
Working with the Department of Public Works, using innovation and technology to be at an endpoint where everybody's happy, can high five at the end of the night, that meant a lot to me personally.